In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. If you find this video guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, it really helps us out. With WhatsApp on your computer, you can easily send messages, make calls, and stay connected right from your desktop. Let's go ahead and get started. First, go to the search bar on your computer, it's usually at the bottom over here, and type in Microsoft Store. Open up this section, and what this is actually an app store built into Windows. Once you get loaded into it though, go ahead and find the search bar up at the top and simply go ahead and type in WhatsApp. Hit enter and it's going to load you to a page that looks something like this. Find the WhatsApp app that you're trying to install and click on it. And it should pop up with a page that looks like this. You just need to go ahead and click the Get button, and this actually acts as an install button on Windows. Once it's finished installing, simply click Open on this same page, and then you can go ahead and click on the app, and you'll see a Get Started screen. To continue, you just need to scan the QR code with your phone using the WhatsApp mobile app. But once that's done, your messages will sync and you'll be all set to use WhatsApp from your laptop or computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more simple tech guides just like this. Have a great rest of your day.